this is how you can go from sounding like this to sounding more like this. Now, basically, I am using a filter on OBS and it requires the VST plugin, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it onto your OBS and make your mic sound even better. So instead of just having a mic that sounds, like this, it's not bad sounding, but it could sound way better kind of like this. I personally think that this sounds a lot better as compared to the way it did before. It sounds more clean, it sounds more crisp, and it's very easy to do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this website right here, Reaper.fm. I will leave a link down below. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna download this right here called ReaPlugs VST. So you're gonna basically install that. You're gonna get an exe file and you're gonna open it and install it. Automatically, after you do that, it should install into your OBS. The way you can tell is by going to your microphone settings, go to filters. As you can see, I have a bunch of filters applied right now. I just have all these, but the one we're focusing on is the VST X2 plugin. To add a filter, all you have to do is go down to this plus and then click on VST 2X plugin. Now, I do believe that OBS Studio does come with this plugin. If not, I'm pretty sure there's a tutorial somewhere out there. So all you got to do is select the filter, click OK. You can rename it to whatever you want. Then you go in here. You won't see these top two because these are from FL Studio unless you have FL Studio, but all these other ones you should see. Now, the one that I am using right now and that we are going to be focusing on is the EQ setting right here. So each one of these start with REA and then a name after it. Like this one, REA control, REA delay, and then we're focusing on, once again, REA EQ. So I already have my plugin, so I'm just not going to mess with this. I'm actually going to get rid of it by clicking that little trash bin and pressing yes. Now what I'm going to do is now that I have the EQ selected, I'm going to press open plugin interface. Now when you open this for the first time, you're not going to see anything like this. You're actually going to see just most likely a flat line, and I'm not sure what the default setting is for this, for the type. I'm pretty sure it might be high shelf. I have mine set to low shelf currently right now. And then these are the little settings that I adjusted. Now, as you can see, we have these numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can move these around to adjust the sound quality of your volume. So for example, as you can see, if I hold left click on this and I raise it up, you can hear a difference in the sound quality. Or if I drop it down, you can see that there is a difference in sound quality once again. So I don't know what that sounded like, but I will find out, and maybe, hopefully, you could understand what I was saying. Now, for headset mics like what I am currently using right now, I am using the Razer Black Shark V2 X's. What I think headset mics can benefit from is increasing the lows. So what I did is I increased the lows, I lowered the mids a little bit, and slightly lowered the highs. Basically, I think that gives you the most clean, crisp sounding audio from the headset mic. Now once again, I'll show you the example of the audio. So now I have the plugin currently turned off, and this is what the mic sounded like before. And then after we messed around with some of the settings, we now sound like this. Now if you want to actually hear this in action, it's very simple. So basically, if you want to hear any of the settings that you're making in action, all you have to do is click these three dots once again, go to advanced audio properties, go down to the mic setting, go to audio monitoring, turn it to monitor only or monitor and output. Either one of those, you will be able to hear your microphone. Now, while you're monitoring your mic, that's probably the best time for you to go back into the plugin, come into this menu, and then start messing with it and finding the best settings for your guys' liking. So that's pretty much it. That is how you increase the quality of your headset mic, or just any microphone in general. With enough tweaking and enough settings, your audio is going to go from sounding like crap to something a lot better than it was before. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to be releasing more tech style videos. That's what I'm going to try and focus more on. I will be doing a PC build sometime in the near future, so be on the lookout for that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you later.